Lesson: Framework integration with enterprise risk management. The integration of frameworks within enterprise risk management is a critical step for organizations leveraging blockchain technologies to manage risk effectively. Blockchain, with its decentralized and immutable nature, offers unparalleled advantages, but also introduces unique risk vectors that require a tailored approach within the ERM. This lesson explores the intricacies of framework integration with ERM, providing actionable insights, practical tools, and step-by-step applications to enhance proficiency in blockchain risk assessment. Enterprise risk management is a structured and disciplined approach, aligning strategy, processes, people, technology, and knowledge to evaluate and manage uncertainties organizations face. When integrating blockchain technologies, ERM frameworks must evolve to account for the technological nuances and ensure that risks are adequately identified, assessed, and mitigated. The COSO ERM Framework, a globally recognized framework, provides a comprehensive methodology adaptable to blockchain's context. The COSO framework emphasizes risk governance and culture, strategy and objective setting, performance, review and revision, and information, communication, and reporting. A practical application begins with understanding the unique risks associated with blockchain technologies. These risks include technology risks, operational risks, regulatory and compliance risks, and strategic risks. Technology risks pertain to the technological infrastructure, such as smart contract vulnerabilities and consensus protocol weaknesses. Operational risks involve issues related to transaction processing and network management. Regulatory risks encompass the evolving legal landscape surrounding blockchain technologies, while strategic risks relate to the alignment of blockchain initiatives with organizational goals. To address these risks, professionals should employ a risk assessment framework specifically designed for blockchain. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework, with its 5 core functions, identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover, serves as a practical tool for blockchain risk assessment. The identify function involves cataloging blockchain assets and understanding their potential impact on business objectives. This step requires a comprehensive inventory of blockchain applications, nodes, and smart contracts. For example, a financial institution adopting blockchain for cross-border transactions should map all nodes involved in the transaction process, identify potential points of failure, and assess the impact of each node on transaction integrity. The protect function focuses on implementing safeguards to ensure the resilience of blockchain systems. This includes ensuring cryptographic security, access controls, and data integrity. A step-by-step approach could involve deploying multi-signature wallets to mitigate unauthorized access risks and utilizing encryption protocols to protect data in transit and at rest. For instance, a healthcare provider using blockchain for patient records should implement access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information, thereby reducing data breach risks. The detect function involves monitoring blockchain networks for potential threats and anomalies. Implementing real-time monitoring tools, such as security information and event management systems, can aid in identifying suspicious activities and potential breaches. An example of this is the use of anomaly detection algorithms to monitor transaction patterns on a blockchain network. If a sudden spike in transactions is detected, it could signal a potential distributed denial of service attack, prompting immediate investigation and response. The respond function focuses on developing and implementing a response plan to mitigate the impact of identified blockchain risks. This involves establishing incident response protocols, defining roles and responsibilities, and conducting regular drills to ensure preparedness. For instance, a supply chain company using blockchain to track goods might develop a response strategy to address smart contract failures, ensuring that alternative processes are in place to maintain business continuity. Finally, the recover function ensures the timely restoration of blockchain services to minimize business disruption. This step involves developing a business continuity plan and conducting regular backups of blockchain data. For example, a cryptocurrency exchange should implement a comprehensive disaster recovery strategy, including regular data backups and failover systems to minimize downtime in case of a cyber attack. Case studies illustrate the effectiveness of these frameworks in practice. For example, an organization in the financial services sector successfully integrated the COSO ERM framework with blockchain risk assessments, resulting in a 30% reduction in operational losses due to improved risk identification and mitigation strategies. By employing the NIST cybersecurity framework, the company enhanced its incident response capabilities, reducing the time to detect and respond to threats by 40%. Statistics further underscore the importance of framework integration with ERM in blockchain contexts. According to a report by Deloitte, organizations that implement structured risk management frameworks are 40% more likely to achieve their strategic objectives compared to those without formal risk management processes. This highlights the value of integrating blockchain risk assessment frameworks within ERM to align blockchain initiatives with organizational goals effectively. In conclusion, integrating frameworks with enterprise risk management is vital for organizations leveraging blockchain technologies to manage risk effectively. By adopting comprehensive frameworks like COSO and practical tools such as the NIST cybersecurity framework, professionals can systematically identify, assess, and mitigate blockchain-specific risks. Practical applications, real-world examples, and case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of these frameworks in addressing real-world challenges, enhancing proficiency in blockchain risk management. As the blockchain landscape continues to evolve, the integration of robust frameworks within ERM will remain crucial for organizations to navigate the complexities of blockchain technologies and achieve their strategic objectives.